Good morning, Year 10, and welcome back to the final virtual assembly at the end of a very busy year. I'm so sorry that we haven't been able to meet face to face before the holidays, but in some ways the virtual is becoming the new normal, and I'm just really pleased that I at least have a chance to speak to you like this. So I'm really excited to be in front of you now as your brand new culture and ethos lead for the whole of upper school. That means that we're going to be working very closely together over the next year as we prepare you not only for your GCSEs, but also for life beyond the Arc Bolton. So before I tell you about your tutor team for next year, I'd like to share with you some of what we've been doing over lockdown, and specifically the approach that we've taken in designing your Year 11 experience. So over the next year, we're focusing on a narrative of shaping our futures and learning how to influence the ever-changing world around us. We know that you are the future leaders of your community, this country, and the world. During lockdown, your teachers have been busy planning and developing a personalised programme that's aimed entirely towards giving you the skills, knowledge, and experience that you need to make the right choices and to place yourself on the path to a lifetime of success. To achieve this, we've thought really carefully about the teaching that you're going to receive, but also the staff who are going to support you on this journey. And I am delighted to tell you that your tutors next year will be the English team, who are enormously excited to continue working with you. As your tutors, they will continue to see you every morning and afternoon in those sessions that used to be called Lead Learning Time and Virtues. However, from now on, these sessions will be called Future Skills. And that's in recognition of our investment in preparing you for the next stages of your life. Your tutor team, the English team, have used their subject knowledge and their wide life experience to plan a bespoke programme designed to prepare you for the important life decisions that you're going to be making over the next year and in the near future, as well as giving you some important insights into the wider world that you will soon be joining. As well as delivering this fantastic new programme, your form tutor will continue to be your main point of pastoral support at school. They're going to be there for you every single day to offer help, advice, and to lend a listening ear. You'll also be pleased to know that Ms. Sadiq is continuing with you as your welfare leader and will be there on hand to provide a wider level of support to the year group. Alongside the welfare team, you'll also have support from Mr. Hetherington, Miss Ahmed, and of course myself. And in addition, Mr. Patel and Miss Higgins are always there should you need them. As you know, everything that we do at Bolton is underpinned by our virtues. You may notice that we've made a few changes. The virtue of charity has been combined with the broader virtue of service, and resilience is a part of self-discipline and courage. We've also introduced a new virtue, forgiveness, which is defined as a deliberate decision to let go of feelings of anger. Over the last 4 years at Arc Bolton, you've built a strong understanding of what the virtues mean and what they look like in practice. And together we will apply these virtues to build a positive culture based on respect and care for one another. This means holding ourselves and each other to the highest possible standards so that we can become the best version of ourselves. As you know at Arc Bolton, we have high expectations of both you as students and ourselves as teachers. You are now Year 11, and we recognise that you are becoming mature young adults who want and deserve to be treated as such. We completely agree, but this respect comes with responsibility and must be earned. We know that the 4 months since we were last together have been very strange and enormously challenging. We can't claim that time back, but we can refuse to let it hold us back. Now is the time to look forward with high aspirations and commit to making the most of your final year. As a school, we refuse to let COVID be a barrier to your success. Your teachers have been working incredibly hard during lockdown to completely replan the GCSE curriculum. We have got time to teach you everything you need to know, but what we do not have is time to waste. We have got no time to go over skills and content you've already learnt this year, and we certainly don't have time to waste getting your brains back up to speed after 6 months off. Therefore, it is your responsibility to make sure that you come back to school in September focused, determined, and ready to hit the ground running. So, we need you to keep working over the summer. To make this as easy and productive as possible, we've upgraded all of you to Seneca Premium. As well as giving you access to lots of fantastic additional resources, the main reason for this is that it allows your teachers to match the work you're doing at home more closely with the work that you would be doing in lessons at school. This is so important for ensuring that you don't fall further behind in your GCSE courses. The Seneca upgrade is automatic. You use the same login, the same password. When you log in, you should just notice that the background has gone from blue to purple. This means you've been upgraded. If your background is still blue, you just need to log out and log back in again. If that doesn't work, email your tutor, email me, email school, and we will get that sorted out for you. If you don't have access to the internet, continue to use those workbooks and CGP books that you've been provided with. Just like your muscles, the more that you train your brain, the fitter it becomes. And if you neglect it, it becomes soft and weak. You need to come back from the summer mentally stronger than you started. So don't give up. Push yourself to be the best version of yourself. Next year is going to be hard work. So as a year group, we need to ensure that everyone in this year is included and cared for. There will be issues that arise throughout the year, and I want you to feel confident enough to speak to your tutor, speak to me, or speak to any of the members of staff that I've mentioned today, whenever there is a problem. We've got an absolutely amazing pastoral and welfare team who are here to support you all. Myself, Miss Sadiq, Mr. Hetherington, Miss Ahmed, your tutors, we're all here to support you in being successful in your final year at Archbolton. And for those times when you need help but you're not in school to speak to someone, you also can use the SHARP system by going to the school website. So thank you for your hard work over the last 4 months. Myself and all of the Year 11 team are really looking forward to working with you all next year. So enjoy your 6 weeks holiday, work hard, and we really look forward to seeing you in September.